Hi, this is Phil Zimmerman, and I'm here to demonstrate a little bit about a lab week project that we worked on that achieved some service discovery, automatic service registration, and the like with Docker on top of Mesos, and showing how these Docker services automatically get registered and added to haproxy using consul-template and a tool called Registrator. So let's get started. So here you can see, here's the haproxy configuration right now that was built with consul-template. And for the purposes of this demo, I have two web apps here, one running on port 4567 and the other on 4570. These are both just very simple Sinatra apps that are have been Dockerized. And then I've got both of them talking to a statically defined Redis instance, which is also running in Docker. And I'm going to switch over to the console web UI real quick. And you can see Redis is running right here and passing, so that's a good thing. And here is our Mesos dashboard showing two slaves that are active, and the Marathon dashboard that shows the currently running Redis task. So I'm going to go ahead and deploy both of these web apps and show how we scale them up and how consul-template automatically sees the changes in console and updates haproxy accordingly. So the first one is called Demo App. I've gone ahead and deployed that, and you can see it deploying right now. And if I go to console, we should see that show up as well, and there it is. Also, we can go to haproxy and make sure that it's registered as well, and indeed you can see it running right here on port 31,000. Now let's go ahead and deploy the other app. And there it is, it's registered in console, and I expect to see it here as well in our haproxy config, and there it is running on 31,001. Alright, now let's bring one of those guys up. And here you can see it's running. Here's the container ID of the currently running process for this demo app running on port 4567. And if I switch the port number to the other app, you can see that it is a different container, which we would expect, running the other app project. Now in Marathon, I'm going to go ahead and scale these up because who would run only a single web app? Nobody. Let's go ahead and scale this up to 8. And it'll only take a couple seconds here for all of these additional containers to fire up. And if I go to my haproxy instance, I should see those firing up there as well. And as you can see, they are all there. And they happen to be distributed fairly nicely across both of the slaves. So half of them are on Web 01 and the other half are on Web 02. Now we can go back to the demo app port, and we see the container ID here. And we can see the container ID changing as the load is being balanced across, so that's pretty helpful. So hopefully this has given a nice demonstration of how these products all work together to achieve a nice little solution for our dynamic registration and service discovery with Docker on top of Mesos.